Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi and today we will learn how to comment our PHP code. So there are two types of comments for comment our PHP code. Like this we will use for single line comment and this tag we will use for multi-line comment. Okay, now we will see how to use this. Now we have created 3 lines here. Okay, so now we will check what the program is printing now. So here we can see there are 3 lines. This is first line, this is second line, and this is third line. So we are using wir tag for creating a new line of our string. Okay, so now we have to comment this line. Please, we don't want to show this line, so we just comment this line and save and run our program. So here you can see the first line is invisible. Now we will open our first line and comment second line. So here you can see the changes. First line and third line we can see. So this is first line comment. Now we will use multi-line comment. So here we will do multi-line comment and save our program. So here you can see only the first line because we have commented our second line and third line. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.